Hello children, how are you? See how many shells I have collected from the sea beach. And here, see so many umbrellas. Okay children, tell me, to add means? To add means to put some numbers together. And subtraction means? Subtraction means taking some numbers away. Okay, now count and tell me, how many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, do you also know the numbers that come after 9? Look here. If you know these numbers, then sing with me. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. 16, 16, 16, 16, 16. 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18. 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Very good. And now reverse counting. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, children. Now tell me how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. This is a strip of dots. A strip of 10 dots. We will call it a 10. Okay, tell me, are all the numbers here written correctly? 10 dots and now 11 dots. So 1, 1, 11. And now 10 dots, 11, 12. 12 dots. 1, 2, 12. Here again. 10 dots, 11, 12, 13. 13 dots. So 1, 3, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 dots. 1, 4, 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 dots. 1, 5, 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 dots are there. So 1, 6, 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 dots. 1, 7, 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 dots. 1, 8, 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 dots. So 1, 9, 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh wow, 20 dots. Now we have two tens. Tens means 10. Two strips of 10 means 20. So 20 dots. Two tens. Wow, we counted 20 dots. Two tens. Look children, Rinku is making tens with matchsticks. He has got so many sticks. He counted 10 sticks and he tied all of them together with a thread. 10 sticks together. That is 10. Here we saw 10 made up of matchsticks. That is 10 matchsticks together. Hey, what is Gungun doing here? She is threading some beads. Oh wow, so many red colored beads. They look so bright and beautiful. Gungun has threaded these red beads and then she tied both the ends of the thread together to make a knot. Let us see how many beads she has used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She has used 10 beads. Oh wow, 10 beads. So 10 again. She has made a 10 with red beads. So here we have a 10 made up of red bright beads. Oh, Gungun is doing a lovely job. I also want to make 10s. Do you also want to make? So what should we use to make 10? Let's find out something. Here we have some sticks. How many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, these are 10 only. Look, they all have been tied together to make a bundle. So here we have a 10 made up of 10 sticks. And here are some cherries. Are these also going to make a 10? Let's count their number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, we got a 10 made with cherries. Now count these matchsticks. These are also 10 only. See, we also have a 10 made up of matchsticks. Look, here are some bananas. Are these also 10 only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so here is a bundle of 10 bananas. We will call it another 10. Now we will surely make a 10 by ourselves. Look here. Here we have so many turnips. Why not count 10 turnips and make a 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have made a group of 10 turnips. That is a 10. There still are some turnips left behind. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 turnips are left behind. After grouping 10 turnips, we still have 4 more turnips. So how many turnips were there in all? Tens means 10 and 4. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So here we had 14 turnips. Let's count these ice creams now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle these 10 ice creams. Now we have another 10. So children, are there any more ice creams here? Let's count. 1, 2. Yes, there are 2 more ice creams. It means there were 12 ice creams. 10, 11, 12. A little lesser than turnips. Come, let's count these jars now. Grouping 10 together makes them easy to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle them. That's a set of 10. And after that, 11, 12, 13. So here we have 13 jars. More than ice creams, but less than turnips. So children, make 10s with these leaves and toffees by yourselves. Look, here we can see so many bundles of matchsticks and many loose sticks also. Can you guess how many matchsticks would be there in one bundle? There would be 10 for sure. Look, here some numbers are written, while some spaces are left blank. Let us look carefully. What is going on here? 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Symbol of plus, that is addition. Okay, here one matchstick is being added to 9 matchsticks. So we got 10. And these 10 matchsticks have been made into a bundle. Oh, that's a 10 again. Oh wow, another 10 of matchsticks. Let's see what is next. A 10 and one more matchstick. So that means 10 plus 1. This will make 11. Here is an empty space. So we should write 11 here. Next we have a 10 and 2 matchsticks. So 10 plus 2 is 12. We may call the loose sticks as ones. Thus, 1 10 and 2 ones is equal to 12. And then 1 10 and 3 ones. So that's 13. Okay, here all the numbers have been made one after the other. That's easy and fun to do. Look here. The picture of 4 sticks is not there. Let's make it. We will have fun. So 110 plus 4 ones equal to 14. 110 and 5 ones will be 15. 110 and 6 ones, that will be 16. We will also have to write in the circle. Then 110 and 7 ones equals to 17. 110 plus 8 ones is 18. 110 plus 9 ones, that's 19. 110 and 10 ones, it is equal to 20. Look, with 20 sticks, we got 2 tens, 2 similar tens. 10 ones made together another 10. Children, did you notice? If we count the tens and ones and write it one after the other, then we get the same number. Let's do it. See, here there are 2 boxes. What is there on the right hand side box? 1 matchstick. And what is there on the left hand side box? A bundle of 10 sticks, that is tens. So ones and tens. So we will count ones and we will write them below ones and tens below tens. And then we will see what number they make. In the first picture, we have 1 10 and 3 ones. 1, 3. So look and tell which number is this? 1, 3, 13. You know it very well. Come, let's count these lanterns now. And make a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are left with 5 more lanterns. So 1 and 5. Now tell me which number? That is 15. Very good, children. Now make the other numbers by yourselves. Okay, look here. Here we have some snakes. So count and group 10 together. That makes 110. So tell me now, how many snakes are left? No one. So we will write 1 in tens. And in ones, should we leave it like this only? No, we must write something at least. No ones will mean 0. 0 ones. So we will write 0 here, like this. Now tell me the number. 1 and 0. That makes 10. 0 is so fascinating. It's nothing, but still it is so important. Let's sing the same song again and fill this table. 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. 16, 16, 16, 16, 16. 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18. 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Wow, you sang it really well. Now all of you clap for yourself. Look children, here at both the sides we have some pictures. Can you tell me on which side we have more number of pictures? Group 10 together and then count the remaining ones and tell. So, the left side we have 110 and 4 ones. That is 14 pots. And on the right side we have 110 and 3 ones. That makes 13. 14 and 13. So tell me which number is greater? 14. Yes, this side has more pots. Now group these leaves together. On the left side 10 and 4. That is 14. And on right side 10 and 6. So 16. Tell me which one is greater? Yes, on the right side we have more leaves. 16 is the greater number. Try to find out the greater number in these pictures also. So children, if I write some numbers in order and miss some of them, then will you be able to write the missing numbers? Let's see. 10, blank, 12. So what will come after 10? 10, then 11, and then 12. Wow, that's right. Let's do some more practice. 16, a blank, then 18. Yes. So answer is 16, 17, 18. So children, let's count once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now from 20 to 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tell me which is greater, 10 or 2? While counting, the number that comes first is smaller and the number that comes later is bigger. So now identify the bigger number, 11 and 13. So which number is bigger? Bigger number is 13. 13 and 15. So bigger number will be 15. Now identify rest of the bigger numbers by yourselves and circle them. You can find out the bigger number with the help of dots or lines also. Here we need to circle the smaller number. We know that the number which comes first is the smaller one. So this also you can do by yourselves. Look here children, how many numbers are written together? 3 numbers. We need to find out the biggest of them all. Let's see. 13, 3 and 9. So which one is the biggest? 13. 13 is the biggest of all. 12, 15 and 20. And which one will be biggest? 12, 15 or 20? Biggest will be 20. 2 tens. Remember? Very good. You will enjoy a lot. So try to do it. Here we have 7, 2 and 4. And 2 has been circled. So you got it, right? What do we need to do here? We need to circle the smallest number here. Look, 14, 16 and 12. So the smallest will be 12. Absolutely right. Look children, so many mangoes. What are these children doing here? They are plucking the mangoes and then they are collecting these mangoes in a basket. How many children are there? 3 children. These children are also counting their mangoes. Come, let's help them. So tell me, what is 4 plus 5? Count. Yes, that will be 9. You can also use matchsticks for counting. Now 0 plus 3. On adding 0 to a number, we always get the same number. See children, the number of their mangoes has increased so much. Here they had to add 8 and 6. So do you know how they did the addition? Should I tell you? By making tens, just like us. Come, we will also try. So first, let's make some sticks. 8 sticks for 8 and 6 sticks for 6. Now group 10 sticks together and count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number will be 10 plus 4 equals to 14. Yes. Now we have 8 plus 7. So 8 sticks, then 7 sticks. By grouping 10 sticks together, we got 5 remaining. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. That's fun. Look here children, 12 plus 5. What is drawn with 12 here? One bundle of 10 sticks and 2 loose sticks. You got it, right? 1 10 and 2 ones. And below this we have 5 ones. So add them. How many ones are there now? 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 ones. And tens? We have only 1 10. So we can write 1 and 7. That is 1 7 17. So our answer is 17. Let's do it once again. 11 plus 5. For 11, we will draw 1 10 and 1 1. And for 5, 5 ones. So tell me, how many ones do we have here? 1 plus 5, that is 6 ones. And tens, that is only 1. 1 and 6. So it makes 16. So answer is 16. Would you like to do the rest of the sums? Yes, you can do it. Okay children, Rahul has 8 pencils. Sonu has 7 pencils. How many pencils do they have all together? So tell me, what do we need to do to find out the total pencils? Their addition or subtraction? For total, we will have to add. So add it quickly. Okay, now the next sum. Farida plucked 4 apples. Sita plucked 6 apples. Both put them together. How many apples are there now? So tell me, how can we do it? They have put their apples together. We know putting together means addition. So we will get the answer by adding them. And here we have some sums of subtraction. Maybe some numbers are being taken away. Yes, 7 minus 4. So this will be 3. You can do it with the help of dots or sticks. On subtracting 4 sticks out of 7, we will get 3 sticks. Here in this box, we have a bundle of bananas. How many bananas will be there? You got it. They are 10. That's a 10. And with this, there are 7 more bananas. That is 7 ones. 17 bananas. Below this, minus 5 is written. So let us subtract 5 ones. So there remain 2 ones and 1 10. So 1, 2 and number will be 12. Now subtract 4 out of 15. If 4 is subtracted from 5 ones, there remains 1 and 1 10. So we get 1 1 11. Very good. So now who will do the remaining sums? Yes, good. So do it quickly. Now some more questions. Sohan's mother brought 9 bananas from the market. She gave 4 bananas to Sohan. How many bananas was she left with? So tell me what should be done. Some bananas have been given away. That is to take some numbers away. It means subtraction. Thus, we will get the answer by subtracting. This you can do easily now. So tell me, Rahim has 8 flowers. He put 3 flowers in a vase. How many flowers was he left with? Putting some flowers in a vase means taking away. To take some numbers away means subtraction. So we will have to do the subtraction. That's easy. So children, solve all these sums right now and do a lot of practice of addition and subtraction. Here we have so many sums for this. Now tell me, right or wrong? 110 is equal to 10. Right or wrong? Yes, that's absolutely right. 2 tens equal to 20. Right or wrong? That's also correct. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Right or wrong? Absolutely right. 10 plus 9 is equal to 18. Right or wrong? Oh, that's wrong. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Okay, tell me now, what comes after 15? 16, 14 or 10? 16. And what comes before 20? 10, 19 or 21? 19. Well done, children. So, these were the numbers from 10 to 20. Play a lot with these numbers. And we will meet in the next chapter now. Thank you. Have a nice day.